Welcome to Rhodes Old Town. Today we are going to take a stroll inside the Old Town and see the main street and best shops around. So bear with me, let's go see it together. Rhodes Old Town has 11 gates where you can enter the Old Town. And about 6,000 people live here every day, and this is the busiest spot on the island because it's the best well-preserved medieval town, and lots of shopping is going around here. As you see, you can get a fridge magnet for €1 here, and prices are much better than in Lindos because Lindos is the most expensive village because of its nature. And at the moment we are on Museum Square, and here you can find Street of Knights, which is the longest street in here. And up from that hill you can find Grand Master's Palace. As you see, some live musicians playing here, collecting money. And this is the entrance of Archaeological Museum. I would say this was more interesting than the Grand Palace and more to see here. Unfortunately, we can't film inside there, but you should hop by. So every corner has a shop where you can buy souvenirs, local products, dresses, hats, bags, everything. So you need at least 2 hours if you come to Rhodes Old Town, and if you eat also, then expect 3 or 4 hours. Here is one shop I want to point out, because if you don't come here you miss out a lot. And it's right here. Let's see. This shop here, it's called Memories, and they offer all kind of skin products, local products, olive oils. All the employees are here very nice. They know what they sell, and if you ask local from Rhodos, then they have basically everything to suggest. So you should definitely come here. Hi. So this is the place you want to come, because you can find donkey milk here, skin care, face care, everything, souvenirs and so on. So this is the best shop in Rhodes Old Town in my opinion, because you can find everything here, even the olive oil and all the salts and everything. So the shop name is Memories, owned by a local Greek man, and his wife is Estonian, so come by. As you see, this old town is like a maze, and it took me 4 hours to walk every street in Old Town. There is one thing you have to keep in mind when visiting Rhodes Old Town, is that check Google Maps before you sit down somewhere, because there are 12 places that does not want to show you prices. They bring you like 4-liter beer and they charge you 70 or 100 euros. And sometimes the food quality is very bad. So 12 places, you can find them Google Maps. They are rated under 2 stars, so easy to find. But here, yeah, they sell everything, like dresses. This dress is, for example, 50 euros. Wallets, 10 euros. Scarves, 3 euros. So basically, before buying anything, go through many shops, and you can find one shop that is selling like 3 times cheaper than the other, the same thing. And if you want to buy a jewelry, then Kamara is one place where you want to buy the jewelry. because they are Greek made jewelry, and you can trust the gold and silver products here because they won't let fake stuff from Turkey here, so they are all made locally. Yeah, basically this is the place you can find anything you search for, even the leather handbags and everything like that. And the second store you want to buy jewelry is Meandros. This is also a Greek place. So we are reaching the main square, which is, here is the Sea Gate, by the way. Sea Gate is right here. You can find taxi outside the Sea Gate if you're in the center. So here is Hippocrates Square fountain. This is the main point in Rhodos Old Town. And here you have to be extra careful because people want to throw you in quite aggressively, and you can find Google Maps about them. So these spots are no good. If you want good spots, then 300 meters that way is Taverna Costas, or up the hill is Mama Sofia. Very nice places, very good food, friendly stuff. You can find olive wood products here, and if you like ice cream, then there is a place, Palladion, which is the third best ice cream in Europe and first best ice cream in Greece. So you have to check it out. I always take my ice cream from here. So they have everything here. Like Rhodos pottery, very colorful things. Good original leather products made right here. Lots of people, as you all see. Today is 16th of May 2025, so it's a brand new video. You see how much people we have already in May, and last year we made another record. 2.6 million people visited this island, so this year we expect even more, because usually May is the quiet time. But at the moment, Old Town is full. You can find all kinds of hats here, pillows, blankets, bags.
You want to try one?
And now we are reaching the second square, which is a Jewish square. Here also you have to be careful. Check Google Maps before going in, otherwise you pay a lot. And you see parrots here. Be careful if you go to take pictures, otherwise you may end up paying some money for taking a picture, or you are pulled into a restaurant. So local artists. So this square, be careful. La Veranda should be okay. So we are back at Hippocrates Square. If you didn't know, you can watch live feed up from there, and you can find the link on my webpage, looneytravels.com. And if you want any special deals and transfer options and island tours cheaper with excellent customer service, then you should visit looneytravels.com and see the secret deals there, because that is my way of giving back to my viewers to get the best prices and best customer service, whatever they need. So feel free to contact me or rent me out if you need a driver or someone who can show you a way. In Rhodos Old Town you can also find some mini markets where you can buy some refreshments without sitting inside the restaurant somewhere. So this is the busiest street in Rhodes because they sell all kinds of stuff here, from brand glasses to quality bags and jewelry. Old Town shops are usually open until 10 p.m. and I already missed the spot I wanted to show you. Let's go here. If you like to party, then Rhodos Old Town has a spot which opens during nighttime after 10 p.m. and it's right here behind the corner, Legends Rock Bar Cafe. Here you can find live music, and back there you can find a nightclub which is full of people who come to party here during night. So this is the party place, and the club is called Fuego back there, so come and check it out if you like to party. You can find local bakeries here, hemp if you're into that. But yeah, this street is shopping paradise. As you see, it's full of people, even if it's May. Also something for kids. A lot of toys, dresses, local colors, local designs. What's interesting in Rhodes that even men can find clothing here, because otherwise there are only women's shops and men doesn't have anything to buy. But here you can find something for men also, like t-shirts and shirts and business casual clothing. Then there is a shop where you can find all kind of mini figures, so like old night stuff. So many people that I can't even show you some things. Great gallery. You can find all kinds of statues here. Some parts where you can enjoy drinks, some wooden stuff, all from olive wood. So everything, you can find everything at Old Town. Even pictures, handmade pictures, oil paintings. I don't know how you take it on the plane, but it's an option. Now we are in the middle of Main Street, Socrates Street. This is a nice place where you can enjoy cocktails, even when it's very sunny outside. It's great shade here. And all to my Finnish friends, Väivi Poika, you can get all the good stuff here. So all the Finnish fans come here. So yeah, basically in Rhodos Old Town everyone can find something, but make sure to go different stores and check prices, because some prices can change like 2 times for the same product, and you can get cheaper. And also one pro tip, if you want to buy something, then try to buy 2 things at least and ask if you get the discount when paying with cash, because locals like cash and they may make you a better price if you pay with cash, because sometimes their POS doesn't work and cash is better also. All kind of galleries, lots of silver and gold shops, souvenir shops. Basically, if you want to eat something or drink, then go away from main street, step like 100 meters left or right, and you can find a good local taverna where they don't have aggressive salesmen who try to pull you in and ask a lot of money from you. Traffic is so busy in here. Don't mind people wearing jackets, because today is exceptional day where we have 50 kilometers per hour wind and it's 20 degrees outside, so it may seem cold. So this is one of the places where you can enjoy very good cocktails during the evening. Old Almhouse, Sisito. There are some people who try to sell some toys, and during the evening they offer some power banks and selfie sticks, and so money doesn't sleep in here. They try to sell everything. And the main street is almost over. When you come here, be aware of paying 100 euros for cocktail, but also on this street is the best restaurant, which is called Mama Sofia. So be careful here. But Mama Sofia is really, really good. Everyone who has come here don't have anything bad to say. Prices are a little bit more expensive, but you get like full plate of good stuff, so you will be happy. One thing I wanted to say, if you're looking for a toilet in Old Town, then these public paid toilets are 5-star. They are clean, they are very nice. So you have to pay 50 cents to get in, but they are like cleaned every 5 minutes. So they are really, really good. So don't be afraid to go there if you need. And in Old Town there are like at least 4 spots where you can go to public toilet. So we will finish our walk near Grand Master's Palace. It's right around the corner. If you come to Rhodos Old Town, try to come when it's not like meat day, because it may get really hot. Usually we don't have any wind here, so you are frying under the sun. So here we have Palace of Grand Masters, which is one highlight of Old Town. So if you like history, then there is something to see. So check it out yourself, because I can't really film or make photos inside there. And we are at the top of Streets of Knights that we started our trip, which is longest street in here. Let's peek inside a little bit. So this is the highlight of the Old Town, but I like Archaeological Museum more, because inside it's quite dark. And so this is the Grand Master's Palace. So thank you everyone for watching. Go to looneytravels.com, find the secret deals there to get better offers for transfers, island tours and so on. And also don't forget to subscribe if you like roads and you want to see more videos about roads, because this channel is all about it and I try to make videos weekly. See you next time.